The Hudson Valley thrives on innovation and progress. But what happens when slow internet connections hold you back, wasted time, missed opportunities, frustration that hits through every aspect of your business? Introducing Fivonet, your high-octane partner in propelling your business into the fast lane of connectivity. Imagine a private internet highway built exclusively for businesses in the Hudson Valley, a digital infrastructure designed to break open your full potential. Whether you're in the heart of manufacturing, pushing boundaries in healthcare, or keeping the wheels of logistics turning, Fivonet understands your unique needs. We offer a customized approach, crafting solutions tailored to your industry. Our strong network infrastructure ensures you have the bandwidth to support even the most demanding applications. In today's digital world, security is paramount. Fivonet doesn't just promise speed, we offer peace of mind. Our ironclad security protocols keep your data safe from cyber threats. Operate with confidence knowing your valuable information is protected by cutting-edge technology and a team of cybersecurity experts. Forget about the days of buffering madness and sluggish connections. With Fivonet, you experience seamless operation. Download large files in record time. Collaborate with colleagues across the globe without a hitch. Fivonet empowers you to focus on what matters most, growing your business and serving your customers. When you support Fivonet, you're not just investing in technology, you're investing in the future of the Hudson Valley. Together, we can create a digital trajectory that empowers businesses of all sizes to compete on a global scale. Backed by a dream team of engineers and a commitment to innovation, Fivonet has the expertise and passion to fuel the Hudson Valley's digital revolution. The future is here. Are you ready to seize it? With your support, Fivonet can become the backbone of thriving digital Hudson Valley. Together, we can unlock a new era of possibility for businesses of all sizes. Back Fivonet today.